A solid cone hangs from a frictionless pivot at the origin O as shown in the figure. If I, j and k are the unit vectors along A and A, B, C are the positive constants, which of the following forces applied to the rim of the cone at a point P results in the torque tau of the cone with a negative tau z component? It means that for this cone, if I draw this cone, the resultant torque should be in the downward direction. Negative tz component, it means that the resultant torque will be in the downward direction. First of all, the force is applied to the rim of this cone. Okay, the force is applied to the rim of this cone. So over here, if I am applying the force along the rim of the cone and I want the torque in the z axis, and if I want the torque in the z axis, it means that the force should be applied in the xy plane. Okay, either in the x plane, either in the y plane, or the combination of that, but never in the z. Okay, not solely in the z component. So option number A and B are anyway eliminated, because over here the forces are applied in the z direction. Okay, maybe it is positive z or maybe it is negative z, it does not matter. Since it is applied in the z axis, there will be no torque obtained in the z axis. So in order to find out the torque applied in the downward direction, let us try the option number C. Okay, the torque applied is at over here minus B and at minus C. Okay, minus C will anyway be there because minus C represents the negative z axis. So the rim of the cone will always have the coordinate minus C along the z axis. So the rim will always be there. Okay, and the force is applied okay, over here in the AJ cap. Over here, if I consider over here, along the y axis it is 0. So along the y axis it is 0, it means along this direction. Okay, and in the negative B cap, and the force is applied in the AJ cap. The force is applied in the AJ cap. It can be said that the force is applied somewhere over here. Okay, the force is applied somewhere over here at a component of minus B comma C. Okay, so minus B comma C. Now since this is positive, this will be negative, so actually the force will be applied somewhere over here. Okay, let us find out whether this will give me a torque in the downward direction. This is r vector over here. Okay, this is r vector over here, and over here this is the f vector. So this will give me a torque in the downward direction. So this will give me a torque in the downward direction. So torque z is obtained in the downward direction, and the components are also correct. So the correct answer is option number C.